Hello folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike. In today's video, snaring rabbit. We had our snares out for 2 days, and today's second day. We're gonna pick up the snares. Stay tuned. Let's pick up our snares. Oh, I see something, folks. We got a rabbit. Awesome. Another soup. We'll pick up our snares. I'll take this one off, folks. Stay tuned. There. Oh, my rabbit. My rabbit. Always good to check your snares early, before the crow flies. He'll eat your rabbit. There we go. There we got a rabbit. Nice. Thank you, Lord. Looks pretty fresh. Oh, right around the neck. That's a quick kill that way. Okay, folks, we're up to our second snare. Oh, it's another miss. See that, folks? Another miss. Right there. We'll pick up the snare too. Wait, I'll take it off real quick. Tight on there. I checked. Yeah. I checked the snares. We'll check the snares. Yeah, I got it, folks. And another thing, you could always leave when you could come back and use that same stick. If you're gonna come like back in 2 weeks, you could leave that there. You're ready. You don't have to cut another stick. Right there would have been good. Yeah, a miss. Second snare. Let's continue on. Beautiful morning in northern Alberta. Checking snares early. You always check your snares early in the morning so nothing eats your rabbit. Yep. Let's go through here. You go through this little bush. He'll come out to the cut line. Couple feet. 10 feet. We're here at the cut line. Right there. Yeah. Let's go over here to the next one. See if we get one. Yeah, first snare was successful, and right here was a miss yesterday. This one didn't go through. We'll pick up this one. Third snare. All right, folks, I've been picking up my snares here. It's -20 right now, and I see some weasel tracks. There's some weasel tracks. Weasel loves rabbits also, same as us. And we're coming up to the next snare. Let's check it out, you and I. Always fun getting some rabbits for some soup. Right here is number 9 snare. I didn't get any rabbits since that first snare. I got one rabbit, actually I got the other day. I got one rabbit at the same snare yesterday, and I got another rabbit at the same snare, and one missed today. and 2 misses the other day. So the first day 1 rabbit and 2 misses, and today 1 rabbit and 1 miss. Okay, we got 2 more snares up there. I'll see you guys there. Actually, I'll put you guys back on. Let's check. That's where I got a snare over here. Right here. Number 10. Number 10 snare. Yeah. There, see? We got our snare. Let's come on over here, folks. We'll check our last. That's number 10. We'll get. Hopefully, we get lucky on these last 2 snares. Get a rabbit. There'll be a bigger pot of soup. Come on, please. No. None here also. Well, I missed on this snare the other day. Right there. I'll pick that one up. And there's 1 more over here. I'll pick that one up. And I'll see you in a minute. Hello folks again. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for coming along and helping me catch a few rabbits for a soup. Maybe I'll get the soup made up for you. We got a rabbit, and yeah, here's a rabbit snare. My last one, number 12. Out of 1 snare roll, I made 12 snares out of 1. Hope this video was educational and helps you out when you snare rabbit. Yeah, thank you. Bye for now. Masi cho.